So perfect weekend breakfast. It's the weekend. This is breakfast. Find whatever you have before you go shopping. Do Sunday shopping, Sunday morning. Clear out the old veggie. Cut them up, put them in here. It's delicious, and it uses up food that you're otherwise, I don't know where to put anything because there's so much crap in here. I mean, that's just our house. There it is. Moves on its own. Hey there. So I always start these. Hey there. So today we're doing something a little different. We're going to do, per requested egg recipes, I'm going to do frittatas. I'm going to do a couple different kinds. A frittata is a little bit like a quiche without a crust, so easier to make. I'm going to make two smaller ones. One's kind of a meaty one, one's more of a vegetarian one. It's going to use just eggs and some cheese. I'm not going to use milk in these. That could be something that people would use. Salt, pepper, probably saw my cutting video, or we're watching it right now. Look at all the stuff I'm cutting. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, tomato. Ah. Anyway, so I got some ham, tomato, shallots, and a mix of zucchini and yellow squash. I'm doing a Monterey Jack and a aged cheddar cheese. I also have fresh basil I'm going to tear in because you don't cut basil up with a knife. I'm just going to use regular eggs. In goes the oil. In goes the oil. You can use butter too. Doesn't need to be oil. Okay, this one's on and also needs oil. So this one I'm going to do the veggies in. I'm preheating it a little bit, so I'm going to do that and that. The reason I'm doing this is I'm just softening up the veggies. So for our cheese one, ham and cheese, I'm just going to put the ham in. I'm going to brown it in the pan. So let's get a little salt and pepper on these. Salt, a little pepper. Got a mixing bowl out for my eggs. The one thing I didn't do was crack eggs before. Well, all right. Do you think that was going to be that noisy? So this is a baked dish. We're going to stick it in the oven. Turn off this pan. Okay, I'm going to go in with this into pan with fire off because I want to cook it evenly in the oven at 350 degrees. So, egg in. Cheese in. Put the cheese in. Cheese fell on the ground. It's like and we'll do our other kind of cheese, our cheddar. Aged, sharp cheddar. Okay. Hi. Oh, you want to help cook eggs?
Not in particular, but I guess I can.
Well, welcome to the... This is after a haircut. It's looking pretty good.
It's funny, the stuff that it just drops down into my face. So,
So you can't... You'd have to do like a full just frame.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Let's see. Okay, so we got the ham and cheese one. Let's just pop this in the oven.
Look, Nancy. I'll just be here for moral support.
Moral support. Well, you're here for me, so wouldn't that more like be moral support?
This is damn hard on yourself.
Oh, you could grab the basil and tear it up, put it in here. That'd be good.
Oh, close up my head.
Yeah. Just grab the whole bunch and grab the whole bunch and just
We'll tear it up and stuff.
tear it up and just toss it in. We'll stir it in with the cheese and the.
Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna do this.
Don't destroy it. You really want it torn. You don't want it like.
Yeah.
Trying to do exactly the opposite of what you're doing.
Oh, okay. Why do we want it perfectly?
Well, we don't cut it with knives because we don't want the knives breaking up the chemical things in it. So what we want to do is we just want to take, the leaves like this and just
Okay.
do this. Just tear it. And then if it gets a little stemmy, you just leave the stem out. I'm going to put in all of the aged cheddar because I can. And I think the dogs are going to get some cheese.
Basil.
What's that?
Basil.
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 Bevel. Bevel my Neville. That was a full leaf, man. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna put this guy in the oven. All the yummy, delicious stuff in it. We're gonna leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. And it's gonna be until it's just set. It can even be a little jiggly.
Sounds tasty. I like my food like I like my father. Jiggly.
I'm jiggly. We'll bring it out. We'll turn it out. And that's it. I don't think I need to be more specific than that. I've always been adding too much information, so less is more. Less is cheese. Cheese is God. Okay, so this is starting to look good. This guy, brownie on the top. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So, let's get the rabbit guy. And the handles are going to be 350 degrees, so be careful. And I just want to release it. I just want it to... There it is. Moves on its own. Frittata! Hakuna Frittata! This looks pretty good. Let's check the veggie one, see if it's... Okay, so... I cut it like a pizza, so it's just going to be in triangles. And do a little service here.
How many cheese is done?
Yeah.
Hello.
So just because, it's my food channel. My food thing. Ah, that's really good. That's really good. A little salty. This is looking about done. Definitely hot enough. So, like the other one, it just doesn't want to give up. So this is our veggie basil one. I don't think I need to say that too many times because this video is only like 8 minutes long. So I'm just gonna try and... I was gonna start. Somebody recommended, and you can always recommend if you want to see something cooked. Just leave a comment down in the comments and subscribe to this, please. But somebody recommended a souffle, which I thought would be a huge mistake because I'm sure I would do something wrong. Let's see if we can release this. I prefer softer eggs. Well, that's the part that wouldn't come off. So, no mistakes in cooking. This looks delicious. This looks absolutely delicious. So, anyway, this is a frittata. This is, you know, in here we got. This one's airier because it's got more stuff in it. It had more moisture in the vegetables. This was just ham and cheese, so it kind of cooked flat. This cooked more like a souffle, where it got really airy and full of stuff. And it's still a little soft in the middle. Again, I prefer. I'm gonna take a piece off of here. Ah! Let's see what this one tastes like. I didn't make this one too salty. It is going to be hot, I know that. Ah, it's really nice. The cheese and the squash, tomato, basil's coming right through. I would have loved to have put something really spicy in here, but again, not everybody eats spice in this house, so throw a ghost pepper in just for fun. See what happens. Yeah, really good. So, perfect weekend breakfast. It's the weekend. This is breakfast. Find whatever you have before you go shopping. Do Sunday shopping Sunday morning. Clear out the old veggie. Cut them up, put them in here. It's delicious, and it uses up food that you're otherwise, I don't know where to put anything because there's so much crap in here. I mean, that's just our house, but not everybody experiences that, I don't think. Some people actually run out of food before they go shopping. Well, anyway, okay, so, like, subscribe. You love it. Go make this. Go cook this, because it's really delicious. And I'm going to start cooking something else for you. It's a full day. Go cook something.